Hi. Welcome back to Cheryl Trades Leaps. Most traders don't lose money because they're wrong. They lose money because they can't sit still. They feel the need to act, to click, to participate. But here's the truth. The market doesn't pay you for being active. It pays you for being right. And sometimes, the most profitable decision you can make is to do absolutely nothing. 1. The illusion of productivity. There's a dangerous belief in trading that more activity leads to more profit. So traders, check charts all day. Take multiple trades. Chase every breakout. It feels productive. It feels like you're in the game, but in reality, most of that activity is just noise. Every unnecessary trade increases risk exposure, emotional stress, and the probability of making mistakes. What feels like progress is often just slow capital destruction. 2. Why doing nothing feels so hard. So why can't most traders sit out? Because doing nothing feels uncomfortable. You start thinking, what if I miss the move? Everyone else is making money. I should be doing something. But this isn't logic, it's psychology. You're not addicted to trading. You're addicted to action. That constant need to participate is what pulls you into low-quality setups. 3. What aggressive patience really means. Now let's be clear. Sitting out doesn't mean being passive. It means being intentional. This is what I call aggressive patience. You're not ignoring the market. You're studying it. You're watching key support levels, trend structure, volume behavior. But you're only acting when everything aligns. You're not reacting to the market. You're waiting for the market to come to you. 4. The cost of not sitting out. Let's talk about what happens when you don't wait. You enter too early. The trade goes against you. Now you're managing stress instead of executing strategy. You trade before earnings. IV crush hits. Even if you're right on direction, you still lose. You chase a breakout, right into resistance, and you become exit liquidity for someone else. This is how accounts bleed. Not from one big mistake, but from repeated small, unnecessary trades. 5. Sitting out is a position. Here's the mindset shift that changes everything. Cash is not idle. Cash is a position. When you sit out, you preserve capital, you protect your mental clarity, you keep flexibility, and most importantly, you stay ready. Because when the right setup comes, you're not stuck. You're prepared. 6. What professionals actually do. Professional traders don't trade all day. They wait. Sometimes for days. Sometimes for weeks. They understand. You don't get paid for frequency. You get paid for precision. They size up only when the trend is clear, risk is defined, and the setup is high probability. Everything else? They ignore. 7. A simple framework. Let me give you something practical. Sit out when the market is near major news, CPI, Fed decisions. Earnings are approaching. IV is elevated. Price is extended from support. Act when price pulls back into key levels. IV has cooled. The trend is still intact. Volume confirms the move. If those conditions aren't there, you wait. No exceptions. To wrap it up, the biggest shift in trading is not strategy. It's identity. Amateurs feel the need to trade. Professionals feel comfortable waiting. Because they understand something most people don't. The best trades are obvious, and obvious trades don't happen every day. So the next time you feel the urge to click, pause. Ask yourself, is this an opportunity or just my need to be active? Because mastering that moment is what separates profitable traders from everyone else. If you're serious about trading leaps, timing entries, and avoiding the traps that destroy most portfolios, subscribe. because this channel is about one thing: discipline that compounds. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.